Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Yes, so eat healthy and stay healthy. So now what's the lesson we are learning on? So lesson 4, healthy practices. Okay. So let us recall the concept what we have learned in the last week. Okay. So we have learned eye exercise, right? So this one, palming and then pencil exercise and exercise using the ball. So you all know how to perform these exercises. So today we are going to see what are the concepts we have learned so far. We are going to just recall these concepts. Okay. So in that we are going to see healthy practices by using computers or gadgets and then asanas. Okay. So pranayama, Ekapada Pranamasana, Nanavarasana, Tandavasana, Ekapadasana, eye exercise. So just we are going to recall the concepts.
Let us see the healthy practices while using computers or gadgets. Okay, first when come to the computers, we already know some points to follow. So what are they? You have to keep your computer clean and you have to share your computer with others and you have to maintain correct posture and you have to take regular break and exercises. So what are the things you should not do? You should not eat or drink near the computer and you should not disturb others by playing loud music and you should not maintain a improper posture and you should not use the computer more than 1 hour per day. Okay, these are the things you have to follow while using computers. When you come to gadgets, so here we are using the mobile devices nowadays, isn't it children? So what are all the things you have to follow that we already seen? So that is, you have to keep your mobile device safe and you have to use it gently and then you have to maintain a correct posture and you have to share equally, and then you should not use the mobile device at the petrol pump and you should not damage the device by dropping it on the floor, and then you should not use the device by putting it to very close to your eyes. Okay, and you should not keep the mobile device with yourself. Okay children, so these are the healthy practices you should follow while using computers or electronic gadgets. Next, so let us see the asanas. So here I have given us some situations. Let us see which asana will suit this situation. So first one, Manoj exam starts on next week. He wants to prepare for exam. What asana can he do to keep his mind calm and improve his concentration? So it is nothing but the first exercise what we have seen, pranayama, that is the breathing exercise. So if you want to keep your mind calm and want to improve your concentration, you can do this asana and you have to do every day. Okay, so next, Sanju likes to play tennis. Okay, she play tennis for a long time and has pain in her ankle and foot muscles. What asana can she do to relax her ankle and foot muscles? So what asana? That is Ekapada Pranamasana. Okay, that is one leg prayer pose. So you can also do this asana when you have pain in your ankle and foot muscles. Okay children. Next, Nikhil's mother complains that Nikhil cannot concentrate on studies or drawing for more than a few minutes. He wants to improve his concentration. What asana can he do? He can do Nadavarasana or Tandavasana. So Nadavarasana, what is another name? Flute playing pose, and Tandavasana, dance form pose. Kavin has to use computer for longer period at work. At the end of the day, his hip and arm muscle pain. What asana he can do? He can do Ekapadasana, that is one foot pose. Okay. So Rahul is complaining about dryness in eyes after computer working long hours. What eye exercise can he do? We have seen 3 eye exercises, that is palming or pencil exercise or exercise using ball. So he can do this exercise to overcome the dryness in eyes. So you have to do this exercise once you are working with computer or your mobile devices. Okay children, so let us move to the activity. So I have given the choose the correct answer. So read the sentences correctly and choose the correct answer. Okay, so which of the following asana help you to improve your attention as well as calm your mind? So what are the options I have given? Palming, Nadavarasana, Pranayama and Ekapadasana. Next one, which of the following exercise will be useful for you if you are suffering from wrist pain? So pranayama, Nadarajasana, and blinking, Ekapadasana. And third one, Ritu is a dancer and sometimes she complains about muscle pain. Which of the following exercise will you suggest her? Yegapada Pranamasana, rotational viewing, Mustiga Bandhans, Kanda Chakra. Okay, and last one, staring at the computer screen causes dryness in eyes. Which of the following exercise can do? Pranayama, Nadarajasana, and pencil exercise, and Ekapadasana. So, uh, read the benefits before doing this activity and choose the correct answer. Okay, children. So, second Roma letter, write true or false for the given statement. So, read the given statements carefully and write true or false. Okay, Nadavarasana helps develop concentration. Pranayama strengthens arm, wrist, hip and leg muscles. And third one, breathing exercise help us to improve concentration. And fourth one, Egapada Pranamasana strengthens muscles of the ankle and foot. So, if it is correct, write true. If it is wrong, write false. Okay, children. So, do this activity in your activity notebook.
What are the concepts we have learned again? So these are the concepts we have taken a record. Okay. So I hope you all understand the concept very well. So let me see on the next week with a new topic.